Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch chat not loading so you can interact with your viewers without interruptions. First, refresh the Twitch page or restart the app to rule out temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection and switch to a stable network if needed. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or VPNs, as they often block chat features. Clear your browser cache or app data to remove corrupted files that may prevent chat from loading. If you're using a custom chat overlay, make sure the URL is correct and the source is active in your streaming software. Also, try a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. Finally, check Twitch server status online to ensure there's no platform-wide problem. These steps usually restore chat functionality and keep your Twitch stream interactive. Subscribe the channel for more videos.